Hi, Jenny here. It's summertime and the gardens are all full of their fruits and vegetables, and so the farmers markets are happening and the farmer stands are popping up. So yesterday I happened to pick up some fresh zucchini at one of them. So today we will make some zucchini squares. Let's get started. For this recipe we are going to need 4 cups of shredded zucchini. So 3 of them should at least be enough. I'm thinking maybe 2 of them will be. We shall see if I need a third one or not. And then 1½ cups of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of chopped nuts, pecans or walnuts. I have pecans in the house. 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and ½ cup of vegetable oil. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to use a food processor to shred the zucchini. So we just use the shredding blade. And we'll cut off the ends, and then this isn't going to fit in here, so I'm going to have to cut these like in half lengthwise. So I already washed my vegetables, seeing as we're leaving the skin on. Make sure they're nice and clean and ready. Alright, looks like I could have used a big one and a smaller one. Got a little bit left over. That's okay. We are going to blend 1½ cups of sugar with our eggs, and then we will add our oil. Now we will mix in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of the ground cinnamon, and then slowly add our 2 cups of flour. We will now chop up our 1 cup of nuts, and then we will add that and our zucchini into our batter. Now the batter was very dry, because I forgot to show you that before. It's very, very thick and sticky. But once you add the vegetables in there, then that helps moisten it up. It keeps it moist to have a nice moist cake. And squares, I should say. The zucchini really did moisten that batter right up. So now it's just like a cake batter. So we are going to spray a pan and pour some in there. I might just use 2 pans and make 2 smaller ones. Let's see how much this fills. Yeah. I'm gonna do 2. I'll bake this for 40 minutes or until a toothpick insert comes out clean. Oh, can I pull it out with this hand? No, I need 2 hands. Okay. Alrighty. So I realized after I put this in the oven that I was supposed to actually put this in a 9x13 pan because they're supposed to be squares. Obviously I had zucchini bread on the brain. So, toothpick is coming a little bit dry, but it looks a little bit wet yet on the top. So I'm gonna put it in for at least another 5 minutes. And we'll check it then. So there you go. Now we will let it cool. So there you go. Leave it to me, of course, to do something different with the recipe than I'm supposed to. So instead of zucchini bars, I have kind of made zucchini bread. So, very versatile recipe. This is one that you can also make with carrots, or you can make with apples, or you can make with zucchini. And it's so versatile, you could make it in a loaf pan, or you could make it in the 9x13 pan that you're kind of supposed to have. That was where it was meant to be going. So be it. I'm sure it's still delicious this way. So let me know in the comments down below how you like to cook up your zucchini, what kind of recipes that you use it in. I will leave the recipe for this down in the description. I'm gonna enjoy my snack now. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Wow. Can't even really taste the zucchini. But a little bit of warm bread, the butter on there. Oh, so good. Is this where the sloppy cooking part comes in? Gotta have that every episode. So we got our zucchini flopping all over here. Whee! Oh yeah, cooking is fun. All right, take 5, because take 1 through 4, my microphone wasn't on. Oh, it's the wonderful thing when I try the new microphone as opposed to my standing true and tready. True and tready. Anyways, here we go. All right. Oh, sure. I'm recording. I'm recording before I figured myself out. Okay. So pretty.